Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable compatibility mode on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, locate the Steam shortcut on your desktop and right-click on it. From the context menu that appears, select Properties. This will open a new window where you can access various settings and configurations for your Steam application. Once the Properties window opens, you'll need to navigate to the Compatibility tab at the top. Click on this tab to access all the compatibility-related settings for Steam. This section controls how Steam runs on your system and whether it uses older Windows compatibility modes. Now, look for the checkbox that says Run this program in compatibility mode 4. If this box is currently checked, it means Steam is running in compatibility mode, which can sometimes cause issues with game launches or the Steam client itself. Go ahead and uncheck this box to disable compatibility mode. This ensures Steam runs natively on your current Windows version without any legacy compatibility layers. After unchecking the compatibility mode option, it's important to save your changes properly. First, click the Apply button at the bottom of the window. This confirms and applies your new settings. Then click OK to close the Properties window and finalize the changes. And that's it. You've successfully disabled compatibility mode for Steam, which should help resolve any compatibility-related issues you might have been experiencing. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.